After Mandir mobilization, now Sangh has taken on the top court. RSS leader Indresh Kumar said that the government and public are ready for Ram Mandir ordinance, and he also slammed the Supreme Court for hurting Hindu sentiments. RSS leader attacked the Supreme Court and said that Supreme Court's bench is known for delaying Ayodhya decision.
इन तीन जजों का बेंच था। They denied and they disrespected। वो तीन जजों का पैनल सब जगह मिलता है। आप कहिए कि भाई साहब ने नाम नहीं लिए, परंतु तीन जजों के पैनल ने और सुप्रीम कोर्ट की न्याय प्रक्रिया की, न्यायपालिका की, न्यायाधीशों का अपमान किया, संविधान से खेला, वास्तवों से खेला। यह उन्होंने अनुचित किया है। ऑन माई नेम यू कोट दैम। मीडिया के दोस्तों, मेरा आपसे भी सवाल है, अपने से भी सवाल है। जब कोर्ट डिले पर डिले कर रहा था तो उस समय अगर मूवमेंट ये बनती, हमने जब कहा कि डोंट डिले, तब आपने हमसे सवाल पूछा कि क्या आपको सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर भरोसा नहीं है। आज मैं आपसे पूछता हूं, हिंदुस्तान का और मीडिया के भरोसे को तोड़ा, आप क्यों नहीं कहते कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर जो भरोसा करना चाहिए था वो इस भरोसे लायक रहा कि नहीं रहा?
Let's go across to our reporters now. Prashant is joining us live on the story, as well as Vishal Monga. Vishal, I believe it was in Chandigarh that Indresh Kumar gave this bite, and really the RSS leader there not mincing his words even when it comes to attacking the top court of the country.
Yes, indeed. In his 1 hour long speech, he attacked the Supreme Court judges on several instances. He categorically said that these are the three people who are in the bench. I don't want to name them, but these are the people who are doing injustice to the Hindus. Justice delayed is justice denied. That is what he was saying on regular basis, saying that these three judges are notorious for this whole thing, and they delayed giving justice to the people of India. People of India had raised, the counter question was being asked to them that they don't have faith in the judiciary. But what the judiciary is doing is not good for the constitution and people of India. That is why what RSS leader attacked the Supreme Court justice. He also said that the Ram Mandir was the demand of the day, and the right now the code of conduct is imposed because of the Madhya Pradesh election and Rajasthan election, and after that the government of India will bring in an ordinance. They will have to wait, people will have to wait, and the government of India will intervene after this injustice done by the Supreme Court.
Okay, that seems to be by and large the game plan when it comes to these Hindu outfits in terms of getting an ordinance with effect to the construction of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Prashant, before I come to you, there are some more reactions. Let's play that out.
The Supreme Court takes longer than, and it goes beyond the election period. What the government can do, the government does have an option. It's a constitutionally valid option, and that is to bring an ordinance. Now, whether the government should bring an ordinance or not, I am not in the picture because of my commitment to pursue my writ petition. So what Mr. Indresh says, he is a senior man. It has to be taken seriously at the appropriate quarters, but I cannot react to it.
अफसोसनाक बात है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सिर्फ तारीख के फैसले पर इतने स्टेटमेंट दिए जा रहे हैं। इससे कहीं ना कहीं जो मुल्क की सबसे बड़ी अदालत है उसकी जो इम्पोर्टेंस है उस पर असर पड़ रहा है, और ख़ासकर जो यंग जनरेशन है उसके जहनों में पूरे मुल्क के डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप को लेकर के, मुल्क के डेमोक्रेटिक इंस्टीट्यूशंस को लेकर के अभी से शक व शुबा पैदा हो रहा है, जो कि फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा नुकसानदेह और सुसाइडल है।
Well, let's go across to Prashant now. Prashant, it's true that the patience of, saffron outfits with their own government at center is running out. And it's almost time when they say, abhi nahi to kabhi nahi. And that's why this massive pressure building on the government.
Well, whether it's a pressure building or it's a narrative building is something that only these so-called organizations, so-called outfits would be able to say. But for now, what we can completely, see is the fact that the kind of narrative building exercise that has been going on for the past 2-3 months, it gives you a sense of how panicky and how nervous the BJP and the RSS are today, because they know it for a fact that there is huge anger in the mind of people in Ayodhya. They now want their Ram Mandir to be constructed, and that's the reason why you have not only the RSS, the VHP, the Hindu Mahasabha, all the like-minded organizations coming out and perhaps trying to do an exercise to narrative building. So clearly it's more of a narrative building exercise than anything else, but the kind of statement that Indresh Kumar has made is something that is completely outrageous, and it gives you a sense of what the RSS believes about the Supreme Court. By on one hand,
And the
RSS
RSS has made it very clear time and again, and not just from top leader Indresh Kumar, but also from the chief Mohan Bhagwat himself. For the moment, thank you both, Vishal as well as Prashant, for joining us on this story.